Some people who are taking Ozempic, Wegovy or Mounjaro find that foods taste sweeter or saltier than before, according to new research. The findings are presented this week at the annual meeting of the European Association for the Study of Diabetes, which is being held in Vienna, Austria. Around 1 in 5 of those participating in the study, published in the journal Diabetes, Obesity and Metabolism, perceived sweetness more intensely, and a similar number were more sensitive to salt, and these changes were linked to a reduction in appetite. Othmar Moser of the University of Bayreuth in Germany pointed out that incretin-based therapies such as Ozempic, Wegovy and Mounjaro are widely used for weight management, but their effect on taste perception has been unclear. He said, if changes in taste are linked to greater appetite control and weight loss, this could help clinicians better select therapies, provide more tailored dietary advice, and improve long-term treatment outcome for patients. To find out more, Professor Moser and colleagues surveyed hundreds of individuals with overweight and obesity who were taking Ozempic, Wegovy and Mounjaro for weight loss about their sense of taste and appetite. The researchers from the Medical University of Vienna looked at 411 participants. Around a fifth of participants said that food tasted sweeter at 21.3% or saltier 22.6% than before. Their perception of bitterness and sourness did not change. Professor Moser says these drugs act not only in the gut and brain areas that control hunger, but also on taste bud cells and brain regions that process taste and reward. This means that they can subtly change how strong flavours like sweetness or saltiness are perceived. This in turn may affect appetite. There was no link between changes in taste perception and reduction in BMI. The researchers speculate this is because sense of taste is just one of many factors involved in weight loss. However, weight loss depends on many other factors like metabolism, long-term eating patterns, and activity. So changes to taste alone may not be enough to directly drive body weight reduction.